Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to remove the Samsung account on your Samsung Galaxy A27. To sign out of your Samsung account, go to the settings, then scroll down until you find accounts and backup, manage accounts, and click on your Samsung account. Then you can click on remove account and click on remove. Now you can change whether you want to keep your profile in contacts app. You can also see what else will be deleted. And now I'll click on sign out. And you will need to confirm your verification number. Just make sure it's still the same one, so you can sign in later, because you may need a verification code for that. I do still have this number, so I'll confirm it. And now I need to enter the password for my Samsung account. I think I got it right, so let's click on OK. And it's signed out, so that's how you can do it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.